Hello guys, you are welcome to Java Academy. It's Java here, and today I'm going to be your friend, your coach, and your tutor. So if you are here today, that means you just purchased the ultimate survey income guide, which is absolutely one of the best financial decisions you've made this year. And in this video tutorial, I'm here to show you how to gain access to the USI guide. So before we dive deeper, simply hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we can proceed. So the very first thing you are going to see after you got the USI guide is an email from that company facilitated by your survey expert. So now let's just do a live example. So this is the product. I reduced the price to 1,200 naira, but the price you were told to pay from your survey expert is what is the actual price. So we're just this is just a demo. So we're going to put in our details. Java Academy. Let's use Java Academy. So we're going to click on make payment. So we're just going to wait for it to load. I'm assuming I'm getting the product for the first time. I'm going to choose transfer. This is the account number, so I'll just copy it. I don't have a bank on this phone. Okay, I think I have a virtual assistant on WhatsApp. Let me check my balance. My balance, please. My balance. I think I should have money, yeah? All right, I have money. So I'm just going to click send money, send 1,200. Send 1,200 to, we're going to paste the account number, all right? Paste stack. Just for confirmation, let me check the email again. The All right, it's Paystack Titan. So I just don't worry, it's smart, he knows what to do. So I'm going to click on send. So now that we click on send, we just have to click on verify transaction. So I'm going to verify transaction and the money is going to be sent immediately. So I'm just going to wait for them to approve the transaction. Okay, I think they've approved it. Okay, you can see your transfer of 1,200 naira is successful. So we'll go back to our browser and it's going to load. Remember, this is just a demo. Okay, this is just a demo. Payment successful. So now we're going to receive an email from LearnerFlex because this product was facilitated through LearnerFlex. Can you see? So we're going to go to our email. Take note, if you got with LearnerFlex, can you see the email it has come? LearnerFlex, product successfully delivered. Now, this is exactly how you're going to gain access to your course. So the USI guide, just click on access my purchase. Once you click on access my purchase, tap on your browser, be it Chrome, Safari, or whatever, and it's going to load. I don't want to use Chrome, please. Let's use Safari. Please, I want to use default browser. So it's just going to load. So now that it's loading, the next thing that's going to pop up is more like a landing page. So here you can see this landing page. So you just have to click on get instant access to the USI course here, or you can click on click here. Any of the above is just going to take you there. So let's just click on it now, and you can see this is the Telegram channel. So you just have to click on join channel. I'm going to open it to Telegram now. So it's going to load. So this is the channel. So all you have to do is click on that pinned message. If you don't want to click on the pinned message, just scroll up. Are you seeing what I'm doing? We've gotten to the top now. Then you can start from here. Introduction. This is your guide. Introduction. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3. Are you seeing it? So this is how to get access to your USI guide. Then let's say you were facilitated through another platform entirely. Let's use Selar for example. Let's use Selar. This is Selar. Can you see? This is Selar. This is exactly how it's going to be. Let's assume we're starting all over from the beginning. Let's put our details. So I'm going to use the same details again. Java Academy. Java Academy.edu@gmail.com. Can you see it at gmail.com? So we're going to click on buy now. We're going to click on pay via transfer. Click to show transfer details. So let's wait for it to load. So you can see it. This is seller checkout for the account name. So we'll just copy it. Go back to our bank. Go back to our bank. And okay, I think this is the previous receipt. So we're going to send 1,200. Send 1,200 to this account. Seller. Just type seller. Don't worry, it's smart. Seller. So this is what your survey expert did. So now I'm just here to show you how you can access your products. So you can just ask him, please, which company did you use for me? Ah, please let's go back. Please let's go back. Okay, Paystack Titan. Sorry, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Sorry, my bad. Sorry, Paystack. Sorry, Paystack. Sorry, Paystack. Then we'll click on send. So it's going to load now. Okay, so I'm just going to click on verify transaction. Then we're going to wait for them to approve this new transaction. All right. I think it has worked. It has gone. Okay, the transfer is successful. Okay, let's go back to our browser. I have sent the money. We're going to click on I've sent the money and we're going to receive payment confirmed. So now we're going to go back to our email. Okay, this is our email. Now this is LearnerFlex. Access my purchase. You saw the way we did it. Now this is for seller. Can you see it? Hi Java Coco, thanks for your purchase. So just click on go to, for seller. You're going to click on go to link. Then we'll click on default browser. It's going to load. It's going to take us to the same landing page. Can you see it? 3, 2, 1. If you don't click on it, it's just going to redirect you automatically. Can you see it? So you're just going to click on get access to the USI guide or click here. Can you see it? It's going to take you to that same Telegram channel. Then you have to join channel, click on open on Telegram, and it's going to take you there. Can you see it? So this is how you can gain access to the USI guide. Can you see it? Now that you gain access to the USI guide, section 1, section 2, once you keep on watching, don't just watch. Make sure that you're implementing what is being taught in each section. And if you are lost, just scroll down. I showed you how to join the discussion community. Once you are done with your course, go to the about of this channel, click on discuss to join the group chat. I put an image here for you. So what you have to do is come to the about. This is what I did. Let me screenshot it for reference purpose. Okay, so this is where I'm coming to. Let me add shape for some of you that are not seeing. Okay, okay. So this way you're coming to. Just click on the top, that about. Can you see it? Let's do done. So click on it. I will click on what? Discuss. Can you see discuss? And this is the group chat. So in this group chat, this is where people ask questions, and there's an admin there to answer all your questions. In case you are lost or something is confusing you, you can always answer your questions. Can you see? Can you see? So this is the discussion community. So don't just be going through the course or go and disturb your coach, the survey expert who registered you. You got access to the course, you got access to the community. Ask your questions here. You are going to get response. You can see there's admin that is answering questions here. Do you understand? So basically, this for that, and that's how you can get access from whichever affiliate platform or whichever internet company you got registered under. It does not have to be Selar or LearnerFlex, any other company. Just go to that email. Just go to that email like this and click on go to link or access my purchase or whatnot. You're also going to get your receipt as well. So basically, that's that for this section. Don't forget you can follow us on Twitter in case you're having any questions. So this is my Twitter account. You can go ahead and look me up at Java_Coco_ or Java Forex. Do well to follow me and also do well to follow the USI guide. You can look them up at USI_guide. So this is the main page. All you have to do in case you found it difficult to receive your email, or after a few hours of registration you didn't get any email from the affiliate company who was supposed to send you an email. In case you didn't get any email, you can come to Twitter here, send us a message that you didn't get your email, send your email address to us, and we're going to attend to you as swift as possible. If you found this video tutorial very helpful, do well to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I wish you a huge success in this new online survey journey you have just started. Have a nice day.